Okay, day, what am I on, 17 now? I think I'm on 17. I'm not sure, actually. This is going to be just a really quick update. Nothing much to report today. My plantar fasciitis is starting to go away, thanks to being back on heavy cream. Yay! Had dinner at my parents' house, which was funny because my dad is currently doing Keto Chow only. I'm doing Keto Chow only, and my wife's doing Keto Chow only. So it was the kids and my mom. But my mom had made an amazing keto dinner. It was a chicken breast with a lot of broccoli and cream cheese was the main dish. It's like, oh, that looks so good. And it smelled so good. Didn't eat any of it, but that's okay. Anyway, tomorrow is my very first day as being self-employed, like going into work and like for realsies. It'll be interesting. So I should be able to record a pretty good update tomorrow while I'm waiting for the post office to come and pick up stuff. But yeah, that's about it. Peace out.